Hello guys, welcome. So today we are going to start another chapter of class 6 science, that is measurement and motion. Before starting the session, I'll tell you guys to join our Telegram group. You have to download Telegram from your Play Store and search there add real world for you, and you will be joined our group. Here you can ask all of your queries, all of your doubts of the session and of your textbook also. Okay, we will respond to you. Now, what is the need of measurement? Why do we study measurement? What is the need of studying measurement? So basically, measurement is a very important thing that is used in our everyday life. We use measurement in the concept of height, for seeing weights, for measuring times. Suppose you are going to school, at what time you'll be ready for going to school, that is also a measurement of time. What is your height? This is also a measurement of height, and this is a measurement. Okay, so you are able to understand me that measurement is very important thing in our everyday life. And what is the definition of measurement? Measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a fixed known quantity of the same kind. Something weird definition, but we will understand this with an example. So let me take an example. Suppose you are given with a line. You have to measure this line, measure the length of this line. I know you will be using a scale, and suppose it reads 6 cm. Okay, now what is 6 and cm? What is this called? 6 is a number. Now what is cm? Centimeter. Centimeter is a unit, with which we measure any kind of length. Okay, centimeters is a unit of length. Here there, centimeter is not a unit of mass. This is unit of length, because we measure length in centimeter. It's a unit of length. Okay, now, so according to our definition, how can we understand this example? Okay, we had a unknown quantity. Okay, and we have a known quantity centimeter, that is a unit. We compared this known quantity centimeter to this unknown quantity. That is saying also in the definition, measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a fixed known quantity of the same kind. We had the unknown quantity, that is this line, and we had to measure this length, and we had already a known quantity, that is cm, centimeter. We had compared this line with this cm, and we have got this reading as 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means 1 centimeter into 6 times. Okay, we have one unit, 1 centimeter into 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 centimeters. Now, the second topic that comes in your textbook is physical quantities. So what is a physical quantity? Let me tell you, quantities such as happiness, sadness. How many happy are you with me? Tell me, can we measure happiness? Can we measure love? Can we measure likeliness? No. The only thing we can measure are physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Now, for example, length, time, mass. We can measure time, we can measure mass in kg, we can measure mass in gram also. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities, and the quantities which can't be measured, such as happiness, sadness, are non-physical quantities. Okay, we can't measure non-physical quantities. Now, standard units of length. We need to make a standardized units and standardized system to be the things happen. What if somebody tells you that this line is 10 foot, some other people says this is 10 finger? What if they measure this with foot and another body measure this with finger? So that is not good, that is not fair. We have to take a standard unit that will be taken everywhere, so that there will be no confusion in reading, in studying and doing further experiments. Okay, so what is the standard units of length? The standard unit of length in SI system. What is SI system? This is a kind of system that help us to write and read any physical quantities in an standard unit. This is approved by international system. Okay, now the standard unit of length is meter. Okay, meter, m is a standard unit of length. But what if we have to calculate the length of a road that is so long? So we change this meter into a longer quantity that is called kilometer. And what if we have to measure this line? This is also a length, so we can't measure it in meter because it is so small, so we use centimeter, and further smaller we use millimeter. So the thing is, one standard unit should be taken for every physical quantity to save us from being confused. So meter is the standard unit of length, remember this. Okay, now what is the correct method to measure length? We will see this topic. What is the correct method to measure length? I know you all are be knowing about using a scale. You use a scale to measure length. Now see, if there is a line, then if you have to measure this length, you should always put 0 of the scale to this point, and whatever the reading get on this other end is the length of the line. Okay, suppose this reads 5 cm, so the length of the line is 5 cm. Suppose this reads 6 cm, then the length of the line is 6 cm. Okay guys, I hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box. Okay, thank you.